is different because they are orange, beans, grapes, and beans is green.
Different because it's meat. Watermelon, lime, and mango are fruits.
Burger is different because it's meat, while lime, mango, and watermelon is fruit.
Are different because they orange, beans, grape, and watermelon, lime, and mango are fruits. Is different because we drink it. Eggs, onions, and pasta we eat.
Because it's meat, watermelon, lime, and mango are fruits.
Soup is different because it's hot. Orange juice, lemonade, and ice cream. It's they cold. Different because it's meat. Watermelon, lime, and mango are fruits. Because it's meat.